Hello dear friends, come gather near, a gentle story waits right here. The morning sun paints skies so wide, and Bluey skips with joy inside. Her paws tap fast, her ears lift high, a soft meow drifts through the sky. She turns around, her eyes shine sweet, a tiny kitten at her feet. Its fur is warm, its whiskers twitch, it climbs a step, then makes a switch. Its tail curls round, its purrs hum low, a fuzzy friend with heart aglow. Bluey gasps loud, her tail sways free, a pet for me. Oh, can it be? The kitten blinks, it leans in near, Bluey hugs close with gentle cheer. They chase through grass, they roll, they play, they tumble round in sunny day. The kitten pounces, soft and quick, Bluey laughs loud, her paws tap thick. Through flowers tall they hide, they seek, the kitten mews, its voice so meek. Bluey claps paws, her joy feels new, and now dear friends, we call to you, come join our fun, come clap, come rhyme, like this video and subscribe my channel in time. The kitten climbs a little tree, its paws grip tight, it looks at sheep. Bluey barks loud, hold on, don't fall. The kitten leaps, so brave, so small. They spin, they chase, they dance in sun, their laughter rings for everyone. The birds sing bright, the breezes flow, the garden blooms, their love will grow. But oh! The bowl of milk tips down, the kitten slips and makes a frown. Bluey helps fast, she wipes the floor, then brings it fresh with even more. The kitten laps, its whiskers shine, its purrs hum soft, a gentle line. Bluey leans close, her smile feels true, their hearts connect in skies so blue. The day turns slow, the stars awake, the crickets sing by pond and lake. The kitten curls on Bluey's side, its warmth a gift she cannot hide. Her eyes drift closed, her breath grows deep, the world turns soft, they fall to sleep. The moon looks down, the night feels mild, protecting both the pup and child. So friends who listen, far and near, come back again for joy and cheer. With dreams so soft and love so true, Bluey shares her heart with you.